Today's class will describe one process that is used to turn fossil fuels into a variety of useful products. Fossil fuels are found naturally in many different forms. These forms include natural gas, coal bed methane, crude oil, heavy oil, oil sands or bitumen, and coal. Fossil fuels need to be processed to become useful products. Once processed, fossil fuels may become ethane, propane, butane, jet fuel, plastics, and synthetic fibers. Alberta is very rich in fossil fuels. Many people in Alberta work to extract, transport, and process fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are believed to have formed from sand, silt, and plant and animal remains millions of years ago. Although some of the natural gas may be burned directly or exported as a mixture of gases, most of the natural gas consumed in Alberta is further refined into separate components. The first process that we are going to look at depends on boiling points of different hydrocarbons. Recall from your last lesson that the boiling point of hydrocarbons increases as the length of carbon parent chains increases. This process, which we call fractional distillation, uses a large tower to essentially distill the fossil fuels. In traditional distillation, a liquid is vaporized and condensed. Fractional distillation does this with large quantities. Crude oil is brought into a large fractional distillation tower, which is heated from the bottom. The heat will cause the different components of the fossil fuels to vaporize or evaporate. There is a continuum of different temperatures in the tower. Towards the bottom of the tower, the temperature is hotter, and towards the top, the temperature is cooler. Different components of fossil fuels are going to condense at different temperatures depending on their boiling point, which depends on their carbon chain length. Substances with higher boiling points will condense in the lower, hotter trays, and substances with lower boiling points will condense in the higher cooling trays. At different levels, the substances that condense are collected. The substances that are withdrawn are called fractions. Please complete the November 12th quiz.